enthalpy, and on this side it is progress of reaction, right? If reactant is having enthalpy at this level and product is having enthalpy at higher level, and when I want to reach at this product site, it means delta H, that is change in enthalpy, is HP minus HR. Final minus initial. That is going to give me the value of delta H. Right? It means this delta H depends on what? The final value and initial value. If I go from reactant to product by this route, or by this route, or by this route, hardly matters. Path can be any path. But if the difference of delta H is to be calculated, we have to go for HP minus HR. Is it clear? Yes. Now I have written three paths. Path 1, let us suppose this is path 2 and path 3. For all the three systems, three paths, the enthalpy change is going to be same or different? Same. Right? It means its value depends only on initial and final value, not on the path followed. Whatever the path may be, hardly matters. That type of property is called state function property. Right? For example, our annual system of teaching or education. Annual system of education depends on your initial result and your final result. How you are getting those marks, that is not important. You are going to school regularly or not, we are least bothered. We want that your result must be something better. तो जब आपका रिजल्ट बेटा पेरेंट्स या बाकी के सराउंडिंग सोसाइटी जब आपका रिजल्ट पूछती है, तो क्या वो आपसे ये पूछेंगे तुमने कैसे किया, या ये पूछेंगे व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? राइट? तो इन रूटीन लाइफ वी आर ऑलवेज concerned with initial and final. We are not concerned with the path. Thermodynamics is a routine science, and when we say it is a routine science of energy, it is always related to initial and final. It's not related to the path followed. Clear? Got it? Yes, ma'am. Now, if we have this process, the value of delta H, it will be positive or negative? Tell me. Product minus reactant is positive. That means the process is endothermic. If delta H is positive, this process is called endothermic process. If I make another graph, and in this graph now I have reactant and here is the product. This is the enthalpy change. This is the another path. Path 1, path 2. Can you tell me what is the delta H for the process? HP minus HR. This value will be negative or positive? Negative. When it is negative, process is called exothermic. Very good. Now it is exothermic process. Is it the path which is important? The answer is no. It is the state which is important. So here in thermodynamics, we are having importance of state only, not the path. अब आप बताओ, when we add catalyst can change the path of reaction. Catalyst can change the path of reaction. Is it going to affect the delta H value? The addition of catalyst cannot affect state functions. Write down. Addition of catalysts cannot affect the value of delta H, and this is a proof to that value that state function values are not affected by catalyst. Is it clear? Now can you tell me thermodynamical properties are 4 in number: delta U, delta H, delta S, delta G. There are 4 thermodynamic quantities. All the 4 thermodynamic quantities are state function. It means complete thermodynamics is not affected by catalyst. Clear? Done? Hanji Vital, any other doubt? Exothermic, endothermic, state function, effect of catalyst on thermodynamics, all the 4 points are clear? Yes. Repeat the question, please.
Proof of W equals to NIV. Heat is a spark function.
Which one is path function? You want to ask that?
Heat is a
path. Okay. Heat and work both are path functions. How it is path function? That you want to understand. Okay, beta, heat is a form of energy. Right? And all energies are basically path functions. Reason is, soch ke dekho. Heat is a path function, means how much heat is produced. That depends on the method by which it is produced. For example, I have 1 liter petrol with me. When I put that 1 liter petrol in a motorbike, this motorbike can move up to, let us suppose, 80 kilometers. If its mileage is 80 kilometers per hour, per liter. Right? The same 1 liter petrol, if I put into some car, the car will move up to only a distance of, let us suppose, 15 or 20 kilometers. Same petrol is doing different work. Amount of petrol is same, but work done by both the quantities is going to be different. It means it is the engine quality which is going to decide how much distance is going to be travelled. Right? So whenever we talk about petrol or some energy or some heat, we are always concerned about the path or the method by which it is going to be used. Hanji? Of course you can.
Please answer a question. The ionization energy of helium positive is 8.7 into 10 raised to power minus 18 joules per atom. Calculate energy of first stationary state of lithium 2 positive.
Okay, this is a question from assignment. Objective assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
This was in our chemistry exam.
Okay, that's good. And now.
Yes, ma'am. Do you want to go on marks?
Yes, of course. Why not? Let's go. First of all, that question we should solve first, and then I'll ask you marks. This class is being recorded. That's why I want to ask your marks after switching off the recording.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. We will tell that only.
Okay. Ask. Yes. Bolo. Repeat the question.
Ionization energy
Of
helium positive is 8.72 into 10 raised to power minus 18.
Right.
Joule per atom.
Correct.
Calculate the energy of first stationary state of lithium 2 positive.
First stationary state
of lithium 2 positive.
Okay. आपको इस तरह के numericals की practice. अच्छा, you have some other doubts also, so that I can switch off the. I should switch off the recording. Or this is
yes, ma'am.
This is the only doubt.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have
we
some
are having many of them.
Okay. Done. रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दो। डाउट्स वो डाउट्स एंड क्वेश्चन। हाँ जी बेटा, पहले आप ये बताओ, आपको स्कूल में इस तरह के न्यूमेरिकल्स की प्रैक्टिस कराई थी? यस और नो? सर ने